Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you all are having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys. Before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I am back with one of my favorite postcard programs, Postcard Tycoon. I've been a reseller for this program ever since it was created back in 2016. Okay, so we're 5 years, almost 6 years next year. Okay, so this thing has been around a long time, so it definitely works if you work the system. It's a fully automated direct mail business that produces $300 payments, okay, over and over and over. What I like about this deal is offline. It does come with a website, but you can just mail your postcards, okay? And there's no pass-ups, there's no one-ups, any of that stuff. If you don't want to deal with internet marketing, you don't have to. All you need to do is mail your cards, guys. Here's some of the cards right here that I have, and I continue to mail my cards, okay? For everybody that joined me, if you're interested in having your picture put on your card, I can make sure that happens as well. Just reach out to me after you get started. So this is the website. We all get a website. As you can see, here's a phone number you can call and check it out. An info line. Here's the owner of the program, Eric Pantalone. Okay, WTM Pub is the company. This is just one of the many programs that WTM Pub has. Okay, so check this website out at your leisure. It's a lot of information on here to just review. I want you to read it. I'm not going to read everything on here. Just want to kind of highlight a few things. So you make your $300 commissions. They're paid via money order when people sign up from your website, because you do have a website that's going to be on your card. They're going to send a $300 money order in your name. Okay. Now let's get to some details here. What's included? That's on this website as well. So I want you to go through this and read over it. You get your resale license to sell this program over and over. You make $300. You get a welcome package. Let me show you. This is not that one. Okay, I just kind of want to just show you though. You get a folder. I've been in it so long, I don't even know where my package is. But you get this folder. This is for another program, but he sends you this. This is what's called the product package. Inside, though, you will have a CD, okay? And then you get this, thank you for your order, and then there's some other information in here. But on this CD is a lot of mailing list companies, okay? But I refer people to the ones that I use, but this one gives you a directory, okay? So you get this first. And then as it states right here, you get a starter kit. In the starter kit, you're going to get 250 postcards in color, just like this one. Okay. And you're going to get 250 leads, okay, to get you started. You get that 24/7 number. As I mentioned, it's also on the card. So when people get your card in the mail, they'll see this number. They'll make the call as well. So just check it out. All right. So the personal website is going to have your name and number on it. I'm going to show you that in a second. We're just going to thumb through this, but definitely read over this, okay? But it's pretty simple. Just mail your postcards consistently. Now, they give you a price of $80 for 1,000 postcards. I can beat that by $20, okay, with the company that I use. So when you join me, I'm going to send you a welcome email with all that information on it, where to get the leads from, where I get the printing done. And for everybody that join me, you're going to also get 500 leads from me. It comes with 250, but I'm going to send an additional 500 as a bonus for joining me, as well as my one-on-one ongoing support. Okay. This website has, as you can see, some good details. It has an FAQ section, so you can read over that as well. It will probably answer your questions. If you don't see your answer there, jot them down. Give me a call. I'll be happy to answer your questions, okay? So come down a little further. The same website you're going to have, it explains here. So how much is it to get started with this thing? Okay, it's going to be $4.98. $300 money order will go in the person that you join name, and $198 will go to the company, okay? So you mail both of those money orders to one address. the WTM address here, and they will forward all the commission payments over to the resellers. Okay. So I would recommend you mail it priority so that you can track it and keep up with it and know when it hits their office. It takes normally 2 to 3 days if you mail it priority. All right. And once you do that, reach out to me and let me know, hey, I've signed up. I've mailed my payment priority, and I have a tracking number. I'm going to also need your mailing address so that I can mail you your 500 leads. Okay. So continue on this page. You're going to go here. As you can see, my name and numbers here. You're going to go down, and right here it says print order form. You're going to click that, and you're going to fill that out, okay, and make sure it's legible. All right, let's take a look, because this is where your commissions are going to go, guys. Okay, your starter kit, everything that the company is going to mail you, they're going to need your address to mail that to you, so it needs to be legible. Make sure your full name is on there, your email address, so they can reach out to you as well. And this is the other thing. Do you want your phone number? It says on the order form, do you want your phone number listed so your customers can contact you guys? I would say yes, because when they go to your website, they may have a question. And that could be the determining factor whether they sign up with you or not. A lot of times people just want to hear a voice. They just want to make sure this is a real person. That name is on the website, so they're just going to reach out sometimes. Then sometimes they'll sign up. It just depends, but I would say yes. So you want to check that box, fill this out, print it out, mail it in with your 2 money orders to the company, and they will forward the commissions over. Okay, that's how the system works. It's very simple, nothing complicated about it. The biggest thing is to be consistent with your mailings. Okay. And be patient with this, because remember, you're mailing something in the mail. Sometimes people don't sign up immediately. It takes them time. They have to ponder on it. Sometimes they have to save for it. A lot of different things. Life happens. So just be patient with it, but continue to mail your cards. Okay. Now, with that being said, I want to show you another payment. I don't always come out and show you commissions when they come in. Because I think I've shown enough of that, but I do want to continue to show you, hey, this thing is still working. Okay, so we got another one that came in, okay, from WTM. So we're going to open that up and check it out. So if you're looking for something where you don't really have to do internet marketing, this may be the way to go, because again, you make $300 a sale. Not to mention the 5 for life. Let me say that real quick before I show you this. You get the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, the company that's on this page, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, over and over and over after every 5th sale. Okay, let me it's on this page, so you can go back and check it out right here. Okay, so 500 free stamps, 500 postcards, 500 leads after every 5th sale. That's what they call the 5 for life bonus from WTM. All right, so let me let's get to this. Hang on a second. Okay, so let's get this open here. And reach out to me if you have any questions, all right, after you've looked at the website. Okay, this one is for Mr. John. Welcome aboard, Mr. John. I know who you are. I'm going to cover this up so we don't get any routing numbers on here, guys. Let's see. Hang on. All right, guys. That is another commission with Postcard Tycoon. So let's flip this over so you can see. Okay, hadn't even been signed. Okay, just want to make sure you guys see that. All right, and then we'll show you Mr. John's name on here without showing his information. Okay, John, welcome aboard, sir. Thanks so much. All right, guys, so the Postcard Tycoon, go check it out, www.thepostcarddiva.com. Don't forget, if you want your picture on here, that's something I will provide, not the company, so you need to reach out to me. And do not forget to let me know you've signed up provide me your mailing address so that I can mail you 500 extra leads. Okay, so that's going to give you 750 people, names and addresses of targeted people, by the way. These aren't just random people. These aren't your neighbors. These are people that have actually spent money in the home-based business industry before, or they have raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in something like this. Okay, so with that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, see you on the next video, guys. Be safe out there and have a blessed day.